So if you want to go ahead and insert out image onto Affinity, you can go around over here onto the file menu and then go ahead and choose place right here. Once you do that, over here, the Explorer window will open up. So you can go ahead and navigate to the folder where you have your file. In my case, I have an image right here in the desktop. So let me just go ahead and select it. And over here, you can also see the different formats that Affinity supports right here, which you can go ahead and select. So if I were to go ahead and select and click on open, then what happens is that you can go ahead and click to insert it out right here. Let me just go around over here and then click on place and select two images right here. Once I do that over here on the left hand side, you can see that place actually opens up. So I can go ahead and click and drag right here, just like this, right here. And then I can click and drag to insert out the second image as well. So let me just go around over here onto place right here and then go inside of, let's say, for example, the sample folder. Let me just go ahead and then select these out right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select these two images right here, just like this. So you can select the other image right here from the left hand side and then click and drag to insert that out right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and insert out image, that is place an image inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.